Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about if a business manager got disabled and if you want to remove the events and the domain, how to do that. Because once the business manager disabled, then you don't have any option to remove that particular thing. Alright, so no worries. I have a solution for that. Let go to the screen and see how it works. Alright, yeah. So let me make it a small. Yeah, perfect. So you can see this particular business manager is restricted. I am refreshing so that you can see that's not a particular screenshot. That's a live account you can see. All right. So this is the event manager of that business event manager, and there's a complete business manager. And even you can see under the add account section, the add account is showing disabled. All right. If we come to the under the domain section, and if we try to remove the domain, let me try. All right, so once we click on remove, you will see the notification will come and the error will come and you will not be able to remove this particular thing. I hope you know this particular thing, why it is not removing. Why it is not? Because it is saying that for removing the domain, you have to remove the events from the aggregated event measurement first, and then you can remove the domain. For removing the event, we have to come to the events manager, but in under the events manager, we cannot even go, or even we cannot do any kind of editing and all. Okay, so how to do that? So for that, you have to just close this particular thing. All right, and this particular screen will open. It is a kind of restricted at a freezing by, like it's a freeze by basically Facebook. Okay, so what you have to do, actually you have to just remove this particularly, you can say the layer which is coming in front of you, and the entire thing is at the back end. Okay, so for removing this particular thing, what you have to do, you have to just click on that particular lock button and click on just click the right on the mouse. Okay, right button, and just click on the inspect. Once you will click on the inspect, you will get this particular window at the right hand side, and you will see an option of the arrow, this arrow. All right, select an element in the page. So just click on this and then select any particular element. Okay, just click and just press delete. So this item got delete. So similarly, you have to actually remove all the elements, like let me show you, like this particular element. All right, this element, this complete element, this red complete element. So we have to remove all the outer, you can say, surfaces, so that we can go inside and can you can say the remove the events. So let me remove all the things and then I will get back to you, because I do not want waste like much of your time. All right, so just give me a second. I will remove and will come back again. Alright, so you can see I reduce all the things which was coming in between that particular thing, and now we can easily like click on any particular option over here. I hope you can see the screen will be blur. Let me tell you that particular thing, because you are into or in the backend using some hacks and all you can say. Okay, so once just click on that particular option. If you're an advertiser, you know where you have to go to basically add it into the events. All right, so just click on the first option, then you have to just come down. All right, so just give me a second. Let me try to come to that option. Yeah, so once I will click on this option, let me go into the under the, you can say, configuration of events. Yeah, so this is the domain which you can see. All right, under this particular domain we have two events already, so we have to just click on manage events, then click on edit. What you have to do, you have to just remove all the events, for example this one. All right, and then click on the submit options, and then just save, apply, done. All right, so we remove all the events. Now let me get back to the go back to the business manager, and I will try to remove the domain, and let's see like will it be remove or not. All right, so we are back to the business manager. Let me refresh this particular thing, because earlier we tried to remove this particular domain but we were not able to do that. So let it refresh, and then we'll try to like remove the domain once again. Yeah, so we have to come again under the domain sections, this particular domain. Now we have to try to click on the remove section. See, it is saying are you confirmed, do you want to remove this particular domain, and we have to just click on remove, and now you can see this particular domain is removed. Alright, there's a great hack. I'm telling you guys, you must use this particular thing. If your business manager is disabled, or your account, like ad account manager, is disabled, and you're not able to remove the events, or you're not able to remove the domain. All right, so that's for today. I hope this particular thing will help you. At the end, actually we have a community regarding paid ads and funnels, and where people actually help each other in terms of paid advertisement. So if you guys are interested for that, I will put the link in the description section. That's a free free community like in the Facebook, and everyone can join that and can help each other, and in fact ask their questions or clear their doubts from other community members. All right, that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Bye bye. Thank you.